Hey, hello friends, hope all of you are doing good. My name is Animesh. Today we are going to talk about best pick for the month of May, or you can say April and May in the pharma sector. As you can see from the thumbnail, I have chosen Dr. Reddy's as a pick of the month. So there are basically three reasons why I have chosen this stock. The very first reason is it belongs to the pharma sector. I mean, in general, if you see, the situation in India as well as in the European countries is getting worse. The number of COVID cases is increasing day by day, right? There is a huge demand for vaccines as well as the drug Remdesivir. Now, in such a situation, obviously the pharma sector is like a glowing candle in the dark. If you see the performance of the pharma sector in the last 5 sessions or 10 sessions of the market, the Indian stock market, the pharma sector has been always in the green light. So any stock in the pharma sector, especially in the month of April and May, is going to be good. The second reason why I chose Dr. Reddy's is because it's a multinational Indian company. It is based out of Telangana, Hyderabad, and it is one of the large cap companies in the pharma sector. This serves a purpose of Make in India as well as the Atmanirbhar Bharat that PM Modi was talking about. So coming to the third point, Dr. Reddy's along with Cipla and Glenmark are a major player in producing this drug called Remdesivir. Now this drug is used for fighting the coronavirus or the COVID-19 virus. This drug is in so demand that there has been a ban on export of this drug outside India. Moreover, Dr. Reddy's is also partnering with Sputnik 5, which is the Russian vaccine, and it's about to come in India in this quarter. This news is official and public. So taking into consideration these 3 points, the market sentiments are totally in favor of Dr. Reddy. They are in the pharma sector, they are an Indian company, and they produce Remdesivir as well as they are partnering with Sputnik to bring in the vaccine. So there are two things while choosing a stock. It's not only the market sentiment, which is the demand and supply part, but also the financials. Who are you backing? What is the foundation of that stock? So let's quickly jump into the app. Let's look at it financials, the profit earned in this quarter compared to the last quarter, and also look at the shareholding pattern.
Okay, so I have opened moneycontrol.com. I can see Dr. Reddy's Lab. Today's price or the last price is 4893. Let's look at the EPS is around 142. Industry PE is around 40, whereas its PE is around 34, which is good. Book value is 913. So price to book is around 5.36, which is fine for a pharma company. Let's look at the futures. Futures for April is around 4,902. For May it's around 4,925, and for June it's 4,938. If we drill down on June, you can see market lot required is around 125 shares. Let's jump to the financials. If we look at the income statement, which is quarterly generated, you can see a comparison between December and September. Here you can see the sales are around equal comparing both months. So 4,910 in September. December they are 4,941, which is fine. Other income a little bit more in December. Total income 5,012, and in September it is 4,962. Please note that these values are in cross. Now let's jump to the cash flow, or let's directly jump to the financial ratios, right? So the basic EPS in March was 122.22, and March 19 it was 117.53. So it's an increase in the EPS, which is the earning per share. So it has a growing trend. All right. So now let's look at the shareholding pattern. So if you look at the promoters, they are constant at around 31% from June onwards, quarter by quarter, right? So latest September 20, they are around 31.13%. No pledging, so there is 0% pledging. If you see the FII investment, it is also around 35 to 34%, which is fine. Total DII investment is around 25% on an average, right? DII stands for domestic institutional investor, right? And FII stands for foreign institutional investor. So pretty stagnant and pretty balanced out shareholding pattern. If you see the info and management, it's a Hyderabad, so it's an Indian company, right? If you see the address, it is Telangana. Management is K. Satish Reddy and co-chairman is G.V. Prasad. All right, let's look at the peer comparison. Okay, so now we are in the peer comparison tab. Here we get a list of all the pharma companies which are listed. And now if you see the market capitalization column on the very right, let's scroll down. So first of all, let me find out the 5-digit market capitalization number, right? The first 5-digit market cap is Aurobindo Pharmaceuticals, which is also again an Indian. Cadila Health again 53,961. Cipla, a great buy as well, 75,650. But the market cap leader is both Divis Lab, which is 1 lakh, and Dr. Reddy's, which is 81,000. Jumping back to futures, if you invest today, for example, in June's future of 4,938, there is a possibility of this stock reaching or gaining up to 100 rupees. That means on your quantity of 125, you will gain about 100. So 100 into 125 is around 1,25,000 profit that you might earn from this stock in less than 30-45 days.
Alright, so that was the financial information about this stock. Obviously, I'm not a chartered accountant nor a financial advisor. I myself have invested in this stock for the month of June. So let's see what happens, let's see what pans out. Having said that, it's totally up to you, so make an informed decision before investing. Until next time, start early, invest now. Cheers.